Welcome to Solver Fee.
In this question, we have given a block that is on inclined plane and another block is hanging, and we have given the values of both the masses. Now we have to find the acceleration of both mass. So first of all, I am writing the given data for this question. So we have given the mass of both blocks is 27 kilograms and value of kinetic friction is 0.15, and we have given the inclination, that is theta, is 34 degree. Now I am going to draw the given diagram for this question. So this is the inclined plane and there is mass, that is mass A, and one mass is hanging. So this is A and this is B. Let I'm going to show the forces acting on this system. So one is the gravity force on this block, that is mb into g, that is acting vertically downward, and tension force, let this is ft in this rope, and similar the tension force in this is ft. One is the weight of this block, that is ma into g, which is acting vertically downward, and the component of this weight in this direction is given by mag, that is mass into g sine theta, and in this direction it is given by g cos theta, and one is the normal force between these two surface. Now this block will going downward with an acceleration, let it is given by a. Similarly, the acceleration of this block will also be a. When this block moves upward, there is a friction force acting vertically on this inclined plane, let this friction force is denoted by small f. So first of all, I am going for block B. We can say that from FBD, that is free body diagram, it can be written as, that is weight mbg minus tension force is equals to, that is net force is equals to mass into acceleration. Let this is, or from here we get the value of tension force, that is ft is equals to, this is mb into g minus a. Let this is our equation first. Now I'm going to write the force balance for block A from free body diagram. It can be written as, that is tension force ft minus mag into sine theta minus frictional force, that is F is equals to, this is mass into acceleration. This is from Newton's second law, and let this is our equation second, and we can say that normal force is given by, that is N is equals to, this is mag into cos theta. Now let this is our equation third. Now put all the values in equation second. From equation 1 and 3 in equation second. So we finally get mb mass of the minus mb into a is equals, sorry, this is minus ma into g sine theta minus mu k into, this is frictional force, that is mu k into mag cos theta is equals to, this is mass into acceleration. Now I'm going to simplify this equation and I will get, this is a is equals to mb into g minus ma into g sine theta minus mu k into, this is ma g cos theta upon, this is ma plus mb. Now we have given that ma is equals to mb. So finally we will get, this is half of g I am taking outside. So this is g1 minus, this is sine theta minus mu k cos theta. Now put all the data in this equation and we get the acceleration. So this is half of 9.8 into 1 minus sine, this is 34 minus 0.15 into cos 34. So finally we will get this is 1.6 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration of both the blocks. Now this is the answer of our first part of the problem. In the second part, we have to find the smallest value of mu k that will keep the system from accelerating. So we can say that in this question we have given that acceleration is 0. So we can say that half of g, this is 1 minus sine theta minus mu k into cos theta is equals to 0. From here we get the value of mu k, and this is 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now put the value of theta here and we will get the value of friction coefficient of friction. This is 1 minus sine 34 upon cos 34, and this will comes out to be 0.53. So this is the value of coefficient of friction, and this is our answer for the second part of the problem. So we can say that in the first part our answer is 1.6 meter per second square, and for B part our answer is 0.53. These are the answer of our given question. Thank you.